Garlic is one of the best superfoods in the world. It is consumed for its various health benefits as well as the flavor it gives to food.
They're great!
But a lot of us have not been using garlic the right way. If you've been consuming garlic regularly, then watch this video till the end to know the common mistakes you're probably making that's preventing you from getting the best benefits from it. Welcome once again to Nutritna. We bring you the latest and scientifically accurate news, tips and tricks on how you can attain and maintain good health with the foods you eat. Kindly click subscribe now so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Let's jump right in. You've probably heard that garlic has been used as medicine for centuries. Even in traditional medicine, it has been used as a preventive medicine against several chronic diseases and against different infections, be it viral, fungal, bacterial or parasitic infections. But do you know that science has now confirmed many of its health benefits, such as treatment of genital herpes, prevention of heart diseases, regulation of blood pressure, reduction of blood sugar and cholesterol levels, prevention of blood clots and cancer. And it's also a good source of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B, phosphorus, potassium and selenium. Garlic contains more than 200 chemicals that interact to give it its beneficial properties, and it's usually consumed by eating it raw or used as part of the cooking ingredients. But as beneficial as garlic is, you might not enjoy the full benefits if you use it the wrong way. We'll be explaining 3 of the most common cooking mistakes that can deprive you of its health benefits. The first on the list is using pre-chopped or stored garlic. If there's one downside to the use of garlic, it's usually the stress and frustrations of peeling it. And that's why you'll probably prefer to buy garlic that has been peeled, chopped and nicely packed, right? Well, you might have to rethink that, and here's why. One of the most important active ingredients in garlic is allicin. Allicin helps in the prevention of blood clots, cancer, bacterial infection and many other health benefits. But this important compound is so fragile that it begins to disappear soon after garlic has been cut or damaged. And this remains true even if it is preserved in water or oil. A research showed that in 6 days, garlic that's stored in water lost about half of its allicin content, while the one that's stored in vegetable oil lost about half of its allicin content in less than 1 hour. This means that garlic that has been chopped and packaged might have very little to zero allicin content, depending on how long ago it's been cut. And as the health benefits of garlic is linked to its allicin content, that means the longer garlic has stayed after being cut, the less effective it will be at combating infection and promoting good health. So, the better option will be to buy and use fresh garlic in your cooking to enjoy the benefits of its medicinal properties. And don't forget to peel before using. The second mistake is using the whole clove without slicing it. Although allicin is an important ingredient that comes from garlic, it is not naturally present in the whole bulb or clove. Allicin is usually produced when 2 chemicals that are found in garlic, allicin and allinase, react together. And that happens only when garlic cloves have been sliced or crushed. One research showed that only people who chewed garlic enjoy the health benefits. But as for those who swallowed it without chewing, they did not enjoy the usual health benefits, such as it did not reduce the high blood pressure and neither did it reduce the high cholesterol level, and so much more. So, if you would love to enjoy the wonderful health benefits of garlic, take the time to chew, slice or chop your garlic before cooking with it. It's also best to let the sliced clove stand for about 15 minutes before using them. This will allow for the enzyme allinase enough time to react with allicin and form the most amount of allicin. The third mistake to avoid is adding garlic at the beginning of the cooking process. Research has shown that when sliced cloves are exposed to a high heat of above 60 degrees for more than 10 minutes during cooking, some chemical compounds in garlic get destroyed. And this includes allinase, which is the enzyme that converts allicin to allicin, as well as allicin itself and other beneficial compounds. So it's important to add the cut cloves very close to the end of the cooking process so as to preserve the important medicinal properties. Also, it's important that you consume the food soon after preparation. This is because the quantity of the beneficial compounds in garlic gradually decrease from the food after it's been cooked. And there you have it, the 3 most important mistakes to avoid when cooking with garlic. Now let's recap. 1. Avoid using pre-chopped and stored garlic. 2. Avoid using the cloves without slicing it. 3. Avoid adding the sliced cloves at the beginning of the cooking process. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be able to enjoy the many health benefits of this powerful superfood. So, have you ever made any of these mistakes when cooking with garlic? And do you have any special trick for peeling garlic faster? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video interesting, kindly like and share with others. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified every time we drop new videos. Wait, check out some of our other videos here. You'll find them beneficial.